Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ford F350 in Farming Simulator 22. First, navigate to the main menu and select the Mod Hub. This is your central place for all community-created content. Once inside, you can easily search for Ford F350 or browse through the vehicle categories to find the truck mod that best suits your farming needs. After locating it, simply download and install it directly into your game. With the mod successfully installed, head into your game save. Open the in-game shop, which is usually accessible through your map or a dedicated icon. You'll find your newly added Ford F350 listed under the Cars or Trucks category, depending on the mod. Select it, review its specifications, and then proceed to purchase it with your in-game currency. It's a straightforward process to add this powerful vehicle to your fleet. Now that you own the Ford F350, you can select it from your list of owned vehicles. Drive it around your farm, attach different trailers like a gooseneck for hauling livestock, or use it for transporting smaller equipment. The F350 offers excellent towing capacity and a comfortable driving experience, making it a valuable asset for many farming operations. Enjoy the realistic feel and the added utility it brings to your game. If you run into any issues, first ensure your Farming Simulator 22 game is updated to the latest version, as this often resolves compatibility problems. Also, double-check the mod's description for any specific requirements or known conflicts with other mods you might have installed. And hey, while you're upgrading your virtual garage, why not upgrade your real car's scent? Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little tree's black ice. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.